This is an excerpt from my online course, Protect Your Digital Privacy, available on Teachable. This portion of the lecture on antivirus and anti-malware tools just covers the Windows 10 antivirus program Defender, but the full course also includes antivirus and anti-malware options for Mac. At the end is a special 30% off discount code for watchers of this video. The best way to think of these two programs is that while antivirus protects you in near real time from malicious applications, anti-malware is reactive in nature and will root out those applications that have already managed to install themselves. This lecture will combine instructions for antivirus programs as they apply to Windows and Mac OS respectively, and for anti-malware as it applies to both. As always, the programs highlighted will be focused on the free version where available. With Windows 10, you already have the antivirus portion covered, with a variation of Windows Defender installed as part of the Microsoft operating system. If configured properly, you shouldn't have a need for anything else. Just be sure it's updated. From the home screen, click on the Start icon, then the Settings icon. On the Windows Settings screen, click on Update and Security, and from this screen, the Windows Security tab in the left sidebar. In this example, you can see in the protection areas that some things need attention. Click on the Open Windows Security button. This is a demo machine and I don't want some of these links active. I do want the app and browse control turned on though. When complete, the icons should all have the green check mark. Click on Virus and Threat Protection and see how the system is performing. Click on Quick Scan to manually run a scan between the automatic scanning schedule. In the following Mac section, we'll discuss an app that also provides security for Windows, so you may want to watch that as well.